Hi friends, my name is Devendra. Today in this video, I gonna show you how you can read file inside the MIT App Inventor. Here I will show you the two ways. In the first way, I will show you how you can read file from the asset section, and in second way, I will show you how you can read file from the internal storage. I don't think you will find any video on the YouTube that is showing how you can read the file from the internal storage. So without any ado, let's start today's video. To read the files, here we will need one button component. So we will drag one button component over here. Then I will click on the screen one, and then here I will align this horizontal to the center. Afterward, I will change the property of that button. Here I will keep the width 95%, and here I will keep the text like pick the file. So after doing this, what I'll do, I'll add one label. Here I will display our result. So along with this, you will need one file component over here. So search file and drag this file component over here, and after dragging this here, make sure that you have been selected the shade, and afterward clicks on the block section. When user click on this pick the file, result will be displayed inside that result label. What we will need, we will click on this button one, and here we'll choose this when button one click block. Okay, and afterward we will come inside the file section, and here we will get the block that is read file. To fetch the file from the asset section, here you need to add a double slash and then enter the file name, and make sure that you should upload the file that you supposed to read. So to upload the file, all you need to do, click here on the upload file and choose file and upload whatever txt file do you want to read. After selecting it, click OK. You will see the uploaded file. Then you have to copy this text, and after copying text, you have to put that text over here. So far we done this, and after reading file, what you need to do, so here you will get the block got text. So after reading file, we got the text, and then we will display that text inside the result label. So here I will drag the result label text, and here I will output. So when I click on the pick the result, then you can see here the result is reading, and that successfully showing inside the label. I'll keep it scrollable. So whenever I pick the file, then you can see the file is reading correctly. Let's look at the second way how we can read the file in the internal storage. As we need this file component constant, and along with that, make sure that you have been make the default scope to the shared. Okay, the shared means you are reading the file from the internal storage. So here we need the activity starter to open the file manager. So keep in mind that you're using the file picker. They don't pick the file by using the file picker or any other extension. So instead, use the activity starter to open the file manager. Okay, so here I'm tracking the activity starter, and here inside the action, you have to copy this action and paste this action over here. And inside the data type, you have to paste this text slash plain. Then next step, open the block section, and here when button click, then all you need to do, start the activity. And after the starting the activity, the result you get means the after activity. So here the next step is you have to read the file. So again, go inside the file and join that read from file name block over here. Here in the place of the file name, don't put this result. Instead of that, all you can do, you click on this activity starter. Here you will get the block of result URI, and when file name got text, then this label will be constant. So this is how you can read the file from the internal storage. So let me show you is this working or not. So now I will click on the pick the file, and after picking the file, I will select my file, and after picking it, you can see my file is reading. In mind, don't use the file picker component from the MIT App Inventor, and don't try to use any of the file picker extension from the MIT App Inventor community too. So instead, go with the activity starter. As I tested, this is only working with the activity starter. So if you like the video, then please hit the like button, and please add your valuable comment. If you wanted to know how I created this on the MIT App Inventor, then all this over here. Till then, be happy, keep coding.